What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another episode. As y'all see, we are out here. I got my guy 5 Soul with me. Say what's up, bro.
What's up?
We got the Coyotes parked out here. We drove all the way to Nashville, Tennessee. I done came 3 hours from Memphis. He done came like 3 hours from Alabama. So linking up with All Out Mexico, a few guys up here in the Nashville scene. They got a little private event going on tonight. We're gonna be heading out to Mexico. We didn't film none of the trip going up here. As y'all see, it's already late. It's like 10:30. The meet's actually already started. We just met up here with him. We're gonna head over to the meet, throw you guys on the 360 camera and start to see what all this action's about. I know there's some S197s, some 10 speeds, a couple Gen 3 stick shift cars. There's some BMWs, Z06s. It's a bunch of stuff coming. I'm not sure exactly what we gonna end up running around our power range, but we gonna find some runs for you guys for sure and go out with a banger at the end of this season. So without doing too much yapping, we already running late. We're gonna hop in these cars, throw y'all on the mount, and we're gonna go check out what this Nashville private meet's looking like. So you guys stay tuned, buckle in, and let's go check it out. Y'all, well, we out here at the meet now. They starting to kind of get some guys ready to go out. I don't know exactly how we're gonna do it. Looks like we're gonna be sending probably 3-4 cars out at first just to kind of get a feel of everything. Looks like I'm going out against a 5th gen SS. It's a, what do you say, cam intake 416 stroker motor on E85. So don't know how that's gonna go, but hey, we're gonna do our best. Other than that, I know we might lock in with this red one, but I guess he ain't sending you out with me just yet. It doesn't sound like it.
I'll be next.
They want me to go first. Hey. But yeah, so we gonna go ahead and throw you guys on the camera. Y'all see it's a bunch of cars here. Mustangs, Corvettes, BMWs. Man, it's a whole lineup out here, y'all. It's gonna be some good runs. So let's wait for this group to start rolling out. We'll throw y'all on the camera and we'll go hit up Mexico. So you guys stay tuned and let's get to it. recap. We're just pulling back up to the meet spot. Bunch of good runs just happened, as you guys saw. Plenty of cars still pulling back in. Like I said, it's kind of hard to keep the camera going around. It's already like 1:30 in the morning, so my bad for not going around and doing too good of a job of going down the descriptions of all the cars and stuff. But big old ESS built motor car pulling up there. Ooh. Damn.
Basic caught on 10 speed, yeah. Headers.
This is my first time using it. I tried to use it against the orange car. I couldn't get the track in or
I didn't think. I thought, bro.
It's going on like 3 a.m. We still got a long haul back to Memphis. As you guys saw, we had a bunch of good runs. All sorts of people got some runs in. Ready to head back now, so this is pretty much a wrap. We're gonna get ready to roll on back to Memphis. It's 3 a.m. so we're gonna be getting back home as the sun's coming up. So all I can say about that is that's how you know it was a terrific night out here in Mexico. Big shout out to All Out Mexico for getting this put together for us. Big shout out to all the locals who helped us out and everything. So hey, it's nice to come to a city and still see some like-minded individuals that just enjoy some true street racing. So yeah, had a hell of a time. Hopefully we'll be back and be able to get a little bit more runs in and maybe even have a little more power next time. So again, as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, leave a comment down below, let us know what you guys thought of the video.